Ram Naam Bhajle Ram Naam Sukh Dham Bhajle Ram Naam Sukh Dham Bhajle Ram Naam.
I'm going to cook butter chicken in a pressure cooker. Now, if you don't have a pressure cooker, then you can use a normal pot, but it'll just take longer. With a pressure cooker, it's less than half an hour, it's done. In front of us, I've got all the ingredients, all the different spices, which you'll find a complete list of the recipe and the spices and the method to cook it in the notes. And I'll show you what I do. And the first thing we'll do, of course, is, well, let's just get the garlic crushed. And here's the garlic and the ginger ready to go. So the last thing I need to prepare is the chicken. So I'll do that now and I'll get back to you. And I'm back again. I just want to emphasize one thing. When you're dealing with chicken, make sure, I only cut chicken on this board here, nothing else. And make sure that you wash your hands thoroughly after every time you touch the chicken. Imperative. Okay, so that's the sizes I'm going to cut them to. But when they get cooked, they're going to shrink. So, you know, that'll be bite sizes. What I'll do now is I'll get the pressure cooker and I'll start it up. It'll take a little bit of time to heat up. Okay, this particular pressure cooker has got a setting here for poultry. So it's warming up now. I'm going to use it as a pot. So once it gets to temperature, I'm going to put the chicken and brown it off. This particular pressure cooker's got a function down here to be used as a normal pot. So it's coming to temperature now, and I'm going to use some coconut oil to partially cook the chicken. The chicken is partially cooked, so I'll take it out now. And I'm going to add in all the other ingredients to start cooking them again in the pot.
Bhajle Ram Naam Sukh Dham Bhajle Ram Naam Sukh Dham Bhajle Ram Naam Sukh Dham Ram Naam Sukh Ram Naam Sukh Ram Naam Sukh Dham Ram Naam.
Oh wow. The aromas are, I'm lost for words. I don't know what to say. And now I'm just going to add salt. And there's a shot of the pot inside, what it looks like. So what I'll do next is I'll add the chicken. And now I'm making sure that every bit of this chicken is coated in this lovely curry. And next thing I'll do is I'll put the lid on and pressure cook it. Okay, the lid's on and pressure cooker's on. So now it'll come to temperature. I've set it for 12 minutes. We're back again. The pressure cooker's done its job. I've actually run it for 12 minutes. 12 minutes later, it's still under pressure, but it's finished cooking. And this is the coriander that I'm going to use as a garnish. The sliced onions, lots of the garam masala, some coconut cream, and the butter. And that's all going to get served with some white rice and some flatbread. So now I've taken the lid off It's nice and cooked. I've just added the butter and the rice with the garam masala. And now I'm going to add the coconut cream. I'm going to give it a bit of a taste. Yep, another really nice dish. So I'm going to serve it with the bread, garnish it with the coriander and the red onions. Once the rice is cooked, I'll come back, I'll present it and we'll go from there. Here's the finished meal. The butter chicken on the rice with red onion and the flatbread. It is a delicious meal. The aromas are amazing, and personally I can't wait to finish filming so I can eat it. Thank you for watching my video, and if you appreciate my cooking, just press the subscribe button and the notification bell. We'd go a long way. Until the next video, again, have a great day. Thank you. Bye.